Alright peeps, so decided to make a little video about my newest upgrade to the car. So it's not really a performance upgrade to say as in power wise, but it's I think it's necessary, you know, just to make the car safe. Right now my goal is just trying to make the car safe while we're putting down the power. So I got me a ATI damper pulley for the D series. It's a 10% underdrive pulley, so it should be helping me reduce the vibrations. I mean, my car is not revving to 9,000 RPM as yet, so you know, perhaps some would say that, you know, why get it, but you know, I love to do things safe and do it right. So, you know, I just decided to get it and try it out. It won't hurt. But getting it, I thought that it would have, it seemed like it would be just a, you know, a direct swap out, but looking online, I haven't been seeing much content on anybody that's installing them on the D series. So I decided I should document it so that it could probably help other people out there who have D series, you know, to perhaps get it done, install efficiently. Yeah, so this is it. This is the part I got. I'll take some other pictures. Of it. I had to assemble it, and you'll see the assembly instructions as well. So yeah, hope when you're finished watching it, you'll be okay with doing it yourself. So, part 2 of the damper saga. So what was happening is that we installed the pulley. It wasn't spinning freely. I realized it was rubbing on something. So this is the timing belt cover for the D series Y8 block. Recognize that this little section right here, you see, yeah, it's rubbing on the face of this. So it went down properly, it torqued down. As you can see, it started bracing right there, but it is tight. So the plan now is to use a Dremel and take off this rim right here. Take it off, all of it, peel it off, and so we can finish or do battery installation. Yeah, ATI didn't tell us about this, but I guess all applications differ, right? These series, I've never seen anybody install or post any videos installing one of these on the D series block. So yeah, trying to give you guys some information. You know, D series information is really limited in terms of what's out there to help us doing these installations at home. Alright, so I'll update you guys when I get it on and see how the progress is when we start up. Cool. Oh, by the way, to get it off wasn't that bad. I have this little tool. That way we took out 2 of the bolts. Thank God the Loctite wasn't fully dry yet. Took out 2 of them, locked in this, and just screwed that down, and it just took it off real evenly. You can see no cuts or anything. We inspected the crankshaft and it was well greased up. So yeah, this little tool, yeah, made it come off in a breeze. So yeah, so I will continue to update you on the taking off of this and then reinstalling that little ledge right there. Yeah. Alright guys, later. Alright guys, so finally finished installing the pulley. So ATI didn't tell us a lot of things about it. You know, it was kind of difficult. I must say it was kind of difficult. We got it in. A few points you need to know when doing your installation is that the pulley is very tight. So you know, the recommendations to boil it, you know, boil the hub part before you install it made sense. To get it in, you will need the crank bolt to get it down on the shaft. You see here, in one go I just decided to get rid of my power steering because I mean I'm not driving the car on the road anyway, so you know, I got rid of the power steering to get some more space for future modifications right there. So in getting rid of that, the power steering, I got some more space, and of course I got the one that doesn't have the power steering pulley. So my damper only has, you see there, it's only the alternator. Yeah. So with the alternator, come out of the sun, you need to go about 3 sizes smaller for the alternator belt. I think the belt I got was 675 and it worked. Other than that, you will need, they suggested that you get a new crank bolt. I also got a new keyway, you know, to make sure everything down there was fresh. But the major part was to modify the timing belt cover. Yeah, that took some modification because the pulley that comes with the damper is smaller than the stock pulley, and the hub itself sits lower than the stock pulley. So yeah, I had to modify that in order to get it to fit and work properly. But you'll see in the videos, well, you'll have seen how we install it. So yeah, hope it helped. And this is a one-off video. I really did it because there's no other installation instruction on for the D series. Yeah, so peace out, big up.